Hey guys, Zominator 100 here. I have a little bit, if you can hear that in the background, that's just that 70 show is on. Love that show. Hilarious. Came home from my run today. Did a couple mile run. And I got my package in the mail. So, I'm going to open it up with this, my new Benchmade Griptilian. I'm going to put you guys down for a second just so I can kind of work at this a little bit better. Okay, here we go. That's all open. Start taking things out. Alright, if you couldn't see that, we were from Blade Play. That's where the order came from. And here are two things that I ordered. A knife from Balisong Cutlery. And a new Benchmade blue box. I had unfortunately misplaced mine. And so, yeah. And I have to be able to come out there and fix my knives, so I had to get a new one. New Torx kit. I love this one. It's just always been really nice. Never had any problems with it. Fits on all my knives, every single Torx. And that's it for that. And let's get to the knife. Alrighty. We have a new Balisong to try out here. It's the new, well, not new, it's the Balisong. Don't know the exact name for it just yet, but it has black handles that are textured coated, powder texture coated, and a pretty nice full flat ground style blade. Just a little bit of an edge. You can see it right there maybe. I'll put it down in the background. Bear Magic USA. Well, MGC. And it feels like a pretty good one. The latch is good, not having any problems with that. Nice little Balisong. It's smaller than a lot of the others. I wish I had it around here, which I think I do actually. No, yes, no. Yeah, we're going to go on a little walk, guys. Just walking around on the floor to show you, but don't want to show you too much of what's in the house, you know. Safety purposes. But here's my Bradley Kimura 2. And let's do a quick size comparison here. You can see the Kimura 2 is a much larger knife. Much larger Balisong. It's I'd say the bearer is kind of like reminds me of a 32, Benchmade 32. And here's the Benchmade Griptilian. Just a quick little comparison. Let's get everything in there for a quick shot. Why the heck not? Alrighty, guys. That's gonna be it for now. I'm gonna be putting up I'll make this an unboxing and a update. I've purchased a couple of new knives, the Benchmade, Balisong, and a CRKT. Reviews on all of those three knives will be coming up not too long. And I'm looking up to save for a Benchmade 51. Looking for I'm gonna try my best to work and get the sprint run one with the gold titanium anodized handles and the dark green G10. It's very cool, but I don't know. I'm just gonna give it my best shot. So that's gonna be it for now, guys. See ya.